Spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Guysini, it looks like Ukucho and D are having a relationship of their life, right? And the reason I'm saying this is because Ugirl is so happy. Like Ugirl is so happy. Ugirl can't even hold it in, right? But what I like is that at least there's one marriage that is starting off on a good note. I but the two shem I waiting wabona gore no things are happening. Now the question is, now that they touched on the baby topic and the baby issue, will it be an issue if Ukucho does not get along with this child? Is it going to be a deal breaker, considering that they have already done Pornyakos and also, will Udi be compatible with Kujo's daughter? Considering Guti Ukucho has been like, if according to what we are hearing, he's been a present dad. So at this point, it's tricky. What do you think from just looking at that episode? Will their kids be a deal breaker, or will they be able to maneuver around that situation and be best step parents to each other's children while they're keeping this love and spark in flame like they're already doing? Please do like, share, and subscribe.